Hey guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Remember when Nigerian artists came to Ghana during the Christmas festivities and Shatta Wale was left out of the party? The video, moving with Stonebwoy, Wizkid moving with Sarkodie, that Burna Boy was moving with his own people, leaving Shatta Wale out. Yeah, so Shatta Wale, upon seeing all these things, actually went live on Instagram and also on Facebook, and called out Burna Boy, saying a lot of nasty things about Burna Boy. Not knowing, guys, a lot of things went down. A lot of things have actually gone down between the two parties. Guys, so let me take you back a little bit so that you watch the video and listen to what Shatta Wale had to say about Burna Boy. Then we come back so that I reveal what actually went down that Shatta Wale had to also call out Burna Boy.
This my nigga, like you trying to behave like a bitch, my nigga. Fuck the vice and shit, nigga. You not talking like a bitch. Yeah, I don't fuck with pussies, you know that. Like I know they play like that. If you get problem with it, you can't tell me. You say I go TV top. They can't show me videos say you Burna Boy. You say me I go date TV top. They talk say as you come Ghana. I say if you me I give you somewhere to sleep. If me I give you somewhere, yo Burna, we or somebody help me to sleep somewhere before and things like that too. So if I talk that thing where you vest, I won't tell you say I make sorry. Say I talk that thing, but you be pussy. Say you go take that thing like it be problem. So that's why if you come Ghana, you call me, the link and so on. And if you say, yo nigga, I don't have problems. Like you came to Ghana, show you properties, not property. Properties, my nigga. Like we got backers, we got every shit. This is my street. This is my town. This is my turf. I don't want you to come to Ghana and feel some way. But I want to tell you that move you do, it be bush boy move. No. You know people that me are roll with. You know what I'm saying? We the street too. If you're America like street a day, like if I'm like I'm American rapper, like if you street me a day, you know that. I don't fucking fuck with fake lights and shit like that, nigga. We got money, but we don't even go to the club to do shit. We don't want to give people on the street those loose notes that we have, those backs that we have. We want to share it with the people on the streets. We don't need those flashy pussy lifestyle. We want to get properties, man. We want to do things. You understand me? You do something right. That thing you talk, say, why I forgot talk for TV talk, say, as you come, Ghana, even me, I give you somewhere to sleep. Then you don't get somewhere to sleep. You get somewhere to sleep. And say, if you true, say, me, as you come, Ghana, me, I sort all those things for you. When you come, you have apartment inside you to sleep. I fucking give you a house, my nigga. Like, I fucking give you a car to drive, personal cars. Like, not one car, nigga. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, why are you trying to behave like a bitch? You have a problem with me, you call me, you link me, we talk about it, and that's it. Sometimes I ain't pushing niggas like this. Like, what do you want to stand on? Like, what do they think of? Like, how you they see me? As you meet me, you know say I no be weak. That's why you can't dare my day. Nigga, like, there's a pussy lifestyle. I no go lie you. Like, if I don't do that, you get what I'm saying? If I don't do that, I don't like this thing. You get me? You ain't get problem. Call me, talk to me. Personal. But I know say sometimes all these niggas way, you guys come on body way, you show me fake smiles. I see you all from day one, but I just keep quiet because I know that maybe because of this, let's see how it's gonna it will be like. But yeah, they ain't happen like that. I know y'all niggas, man. Like, it's just that it's African music and it's Ghana music, But I'm fucking living my life, my nigga. Like, I'm made fucking cash. Yeah, I'm not in a rush. you know, for anything, you know. Y'all say, like, you here, you there, and blah, blah, and shit like that. But, yo, y'all niggas saying, like, you know, the world is recognizing this shit like it's crazy, man. It's a miracle. You understand me? Me and you come Ghana, then you know catch anywhere. Nigeria said, then they stop playing your music. You understand? You come hustle day inside for your feel, I see. Me and you take trips. Me and you do shit. You know what I'm saying? So if you get problem, if you link me. You get me? If you call me, yo, nigga. Me and you get this problem. I don't go be like a pussy, like a bitch. Then you won't go this on my, you know, top shot test them out there. Yo, Burna, everywhere you moving in Ghana, I know about it. Like, everywhere you did, right now, me, I know. You understand me? Because this is my turf. Like, the same way, if I come Nigeria where you say you know everywhere I did, I will trust you for fucking for that. You get me? So anybody you talk to, you know, it'll go like this. You know, I did hear, yeah. Me in Ghana with this, me, I'll be like MTN for Ghana. The networks to go through me. Fucking everybody. So don't be talking to people. Like, don't try. I don't even understand. See, that's why I take some time and message you for IG and things. You know, they pick how they do it. Nigga, you be funny. Like, why? That's why I'm using the bitch for you, like, because you behaving like a bitch. Yeah, your brother get problem. You know, if you call brother and tell brother, say, brother, why you go talk this one? Make me laugh about time safe. Like, you talk, say you be homeless, so me, I take care of you, and I do this. Like, oh, my nigga, like my chi. Like, you, like, if the same way, you go fit tell somebody if I come Nigeria like that. Or I be while I come with my daddy stay. I mean, me and Wale the rock, give him car, give him shit. He was feeling good. Nigga, we or somebody watched you before. We appreciated that shit. So if you don't appreciate that shit, and you go tell people, see, me I talk, see, me as you come Ghana. I no talk say as you come Ghana, they hung. I no talk say as you come Ghana, your body tear. I no talk say as you come Ghana, you need help. I'm saying this out of love, my nigga. If you don't understand, then you's a pussy, my nigga. Because this life we live, the realest life, man. You see, we will live life in the realest way. And I tell you, and you know, say me, I'm fucking to live life my realest way. I get what I'm saying. We don't fake. When we have it, we have it. When we don't have, we don't have. That's a real ghetto youth lifestyle, you know. I go with it. Like, I don't fucking joke with it. That's the streets for me, my nigga. Like, y'all want to behave like y'all from the street, fucking and messing up the street codes. Y'all don't know shit, my nigga. Like, yo, like, it's stupid, my nigga. Like, you and your brother get problem, you know, if you approach him. Yo, fellas, let's learn. Make we learn. You get what I'm saying? Make we learn. You get me? If you're a brother day, when you see your brother do something, call him. Me and my boys, I'm the fucking know. Anybody will do something, and they call you and tell you my mind. Not besides they tell you and they disrespect you, but they tell you, say, yo, nigga, you fucked up. Don't do this again, so we can move on better. Then we do it better. Then we do it well. Nigga, can't they tell you, can't they talk, say, somebody, I go talk for TV, say, yo, just be careful, my nigga. Like, it's crazy, my nigga. Like, it's crazy. Like, don't do that. You understand me? Maybe me, I don't have problem. I'll leave you. Make you take your matter go. Because you see, as you come down and I know they mind you. Because, nigga, I got bad things to do. Like than walk with you into clubs and shit like that. Nigga, we buying properties these days. Nigga, we don't move like that. You understand me? Yeah, if you want to party, we party any which way. You understand me? We see film on, eh? I gotta tell you, we see film. You understand me? Wherever I travel to, I travel there. Wherever I go there. I get what I'm saying? So you don't see I'm like, you see something will be extraordinary. But man, you don't see anything will be extraordinary. We all when we packaging, we know packaging. We all want to be lifestyle, we know lifestyle. Nigga. Don't see some things like that. Don't come and play with me those games. Like, you did Ghana, they talk about me. If you get problem, you know be Ghana, you know if you ask somebody where, you know say they, you know people, you know people where they are around you, right? You know go feeling them and tell them, say, Charlie, I'll make you think go while so me have some problem, I won't talk about that. And you come there, come to talk, say, I do something, worry you about. Me, I go TV to go talk, say, as you come Ghana, me, I give you some place to see. But you bad man. As you come Ghana, you can't tell me say they also. As you come Ghana, you tell me say, oh breath, like you tired, like you need some place to sleep, you beg me. I first say, yo, you my G, like you dey apartment, you pay what? I say no, Charlie, nigga, you go fi save that money, save make you take one yourself, because then you won't stay long for here. Yo, I got a house, I got cars for you, like nigga, live free. Like, oh, you go rent car, you go rent house, you go which friend way you go advise you like that? Which real G way go tell you these things? Somebody there, you go see say, oh, it be Burna Boy, so yeah, man, oh no, this one they cost this one be this price, it be this one. Nigga, we don't run shit like that, like we real to the fullest. When we say for life, we say for life, we don't joke with it. When we say for life, we say for life, we don't joke with it. Don't see it like that. Don't try and, break that code. Don't break that code. My real GBU, where I say no, if you put money for water, we get man, me ain't take Ghana, you see. Oh my godfather, everybody get mansion. I don't get mansion problem. Any mansion I want to go sleep, I get time where I go sleep inside. But we don't niggas, like we don't fake life. Like we get our own mansion, we buy houses. No be house, we buy houses. Better, we buy houses. Houses. You understand me? So if I don't just see the thing like that and see I'm like, say, like, it be normal thing. It not be normal thing. Don't see me like that. It not be normal thing. You understand me? What you do, you just fuck up. Because you fuck up, you say, yes, if you get problem, say I go talk that thing. Why you feel say me I go talk that thing self to this? I mean, that's it. Why? When you tell people, say that thing we are go talk with, worry you. But madman, trust me. I dey do one for you, make you say, if it be so you dey, I go do one too for some place. Because you dey do one for public. You dey do one offline and they do one online. Make you understand. Why you don't do one offline? You go there offline, really offline. You don't want to come online. Why man the message man they see man like man no they reply man they call man all because of this thing. Say you see I go talk. Bad man. As you come Ghana, you can't tell me say you want some place sleep. As you step Ghana, you can't tell me say you do hung. Nigga, you didn't come to Ghana wretched, so don't behave like a pussy. We are somebody give we opportunities. Oh, sleep my day, take my house, use my car. We are somebody give we the opportunity before. So if I talk somebody about me and you and our relationship, I say no, Burna Boy is my G. Like, he came to Ghana, I made him feel good, like living in the house, driving cars, blah blah blah. You say why I for talk that? Wow, I'm sorry, but you are a pussy. Anybody where they rule with for Ghana, Anybody where they rule with for Ghana, the person know. Nigga, we don't play. Oh, nonsense with that. So now you put the beef somewhere and you, man, that's why me if I did my corner, I want day my corner. You understand me?
Yeah, so an Instagram page, an Instagram blogger named Kuti Juice have actually dropped the bombshell. Has actually dropped why Shatta Wale and Burna Boy are beef. Why Shatta Wale actually called out Burna Boy in the Instagram live video. So this is what the account said. Yeah, so the account said that so Burna Boy actually cut off Shatta course when Burna Boy was in Ghana for some time with Shatta Wale due to some ish. His then South African girlfriend visited him. He introduced the girl to Shatta Wale, his then bestie. Then after Burna Boy finally left for Nigeria, Shatta then invited Burna Boy, this then girlfriend, over to Ghana, said some nasty stuff about Burna Boy and succeeded in baying the girl. Yeah, so during that time, things hadn't really picked up for Burna. So eventually when the girl saw that Burna Boy has become huge, she went to tell Burna Boy all the nasty stuff that Shatta said about him to her, of which some were true. So Burna Boy just blocked Shatta Wale everywhere and cut him off silently. Yeah, so Shatta thinking Burna Boy did not know what he did, turned around to play victim, that Burna Boy is ungrateful, therefore going live and calling out Burna Boy. Yeah, so guys, if you don't know what really went down, this is what the account is saying. That the account is actually saying that Shatta, or it is alleged that Shatta went to bail Burna Boy's then ex-girlfriend or girlfriend, who is a South African, and Burna Boy didn't really like that particular idea, so therefore he had to cut ties with Shatta Wale. Okay guys, as I always say, this is where the entertainment, gossip and juice happens. So if you have not subscribed to that TGH TV, kindly subscribe and join the amazing family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.